No eating that. Come on, stubborn dog. Please. Please. Come on, go on. Come on. I'ma pick you up. Oh, what the heck? Why? He's so happy. Please. Why you stubborn doggy? Come on. Bubba, please. Please. Hey, stop eating the grass. Go on. Come on. Up. Up. Come on. Stubborn doggy. Come on. Alright, we're back. Let's continue. So we got Eddie cleaning up his car outside. His new winter beater.
It's actually an Acro TSX 2006 model.
Yeah, the Euro spec or whatever.
Oh yeah, it's pretty much.
Dang. Got wheels on it already. This was supposed to be his winter car. Good stuff.
Thank you, mate.
But now you need a new winter beater.
Yeah, I know, right?
My parents came by. Look who's here. What about me? I was just saying to Eddie, should totally trade this in for the new model. And then, what? He's leashless! Oh no! And then we'll probably soup it up. I miss you. I miss you. But you're stinky. My brother got a new deck. I think it's cool. Sweet. It's the next day. We've waited for the Bondo to completely dry. Let's just continue. It's in this morning too, so I'm gonna install them. They are side markers for the RX7. This side didn't actually come with one, but the stock ones are orange, so we're gonna be replacing them with white ones. I think these are the same side markers they use on MX-3s, MX-5s, Miatas, MX-6s, all the Mazdas. But yeah, white, so much better. Get rid of the orange. And also, it was one of the things on the list that this was missing, was turn signals. None in the front that are working, so I have to figure out the wiring and which one it actually connects to, but so you guys get a gist, like clips in there somehow. Something like that. Decided to do some photos while it's golden hour. Fitting. So we're gonna be masking this off meticulously in areas where there's like line cutoffs because I want it to be as smooth and clean as possible, and we're not going to be spray painting everything. So like here, I'll block it off. We'll be using Chris Fix's technique where we curl up the paper so that our overspray is a gradient instead of just like cut off wherever we mask it. Yeah, we'll do that all over. We'll finally spray paint this outside. After everything's dry, we're gonna be hitting it with that 2K clear coat, and this should give us that showroom finish. Masked. Masked and masked. I think it's time we finally get to painting.
You know you make me smile, oh yeah. You know you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile.
Alright, so I kind of fudged up. Here's an example of an area where I just masked it off with tape and I didn't use the curl technique. You can see how sharp that is, whereas the rest of it is just this smooth gradient. So be careful. Long enough for it to dry. It's already looking so good. But now it's time we hit it with some gloss black. And then the front bumper, like brand new. Ace. Not bad for a little DIY. I mean, that's looking good already. We haven't even hit it with the 2K yet. Side skirts. This is 3 layers of that gloss black. I mean, like, if you look at it now, this is the original paint job. That's ours. That's actually close. Damn. The little part here is fixed too. Show you guys the side skirts. It's like nothing happened. Especially this part. We basically had to recreate the corners. Yes, okay. So you gotta shake this up 2 minutes before you activate it, but once it's activated, you actually gotta shake it another 2 minutes. So that's what we're doing right now. Should be good. This is my favorite part. Engage. Man, this is intense. I'm just gonna park it right here. This is an okay spot. It's just the end of our lot.
If it's silent in dismay, it won't break this feeling down. If I conquer this my way, I'd devour, I'd surround. If it hurts you just a little, then it heals you when it's done. Disappointment is the anchor, resolution is the sun.
Alright guys, I think I'm just gonna end the video. So basically for the past couple of days, we just cleaned up the FD. We brought back the pristine black paint that was underneath the grime, switched out the orange side markers for clear ones, and also I tried my best to black out as much of the skid marks as possible. So you're not gonna be able to see any of the white. Basically I transferred my art skills, still using the same tools from traditional art making to cars. But yeah man, I'm impressed at myself with the bodywork, okay? From what it was before, that front bumper is good. You can't even tell. The only reason why I think this part is prone to breaking is because it's literally hitting the intercooler piping. So I think I may just cut this a little bit shorter or see if I can even move this up a little bit. Side skirts are all good. I may actually find clear side markers for this one as well, just to get rid of all of the color, I guess. This is a black and white theme with acid green engine bay, which is actually pretty cool. Which reminds me, I actually already chose my wheels for this, and they're Kansei wheels, coming soon. I think tomorrow my friend LJ is gonna help me out with installing the front lower control arms, because that's one of the main parts that we really needed to get replaced. I mean, this thing is drivable, but I really shouldn't be driving it at all. So yeah, other than that, more FD content. I'm excited for this thing, man. I can't believe I never really saw myself ever owning an FD. You know what, at the end of the day, I think I just have a soft spot for Mazdas. Because when I was growing up, my dream car was actually the Mazda Presidia, the MX-3, which I actually lived my days in. but that had a particularly unique engine too. It was the smallest V6 made in production. So maybe I think subconsciously that's why I'm getting all these Mazdas with swaps. Just another kind of engine other than a rotary. But the 1JZ-RX7 is finally here after like 4 months of waiting, importing it myself. Big shout outs to Michael and Larry for helping me out. All we really needed was a broker. But yeah, now we know how to import cars, and we'll probably be importing a lot more cars in the near future. Wait, no, Birdie, stop. No more cars. Finish the ones we have in our possession first. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna just end it. Thank you for watching, as usual. And if you want to get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button when the notification button ticked. Drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you guys on the next vlog.